fashion, part one style question.
Do you enjoy buying clothes?
I used to, yes, like most young people, I was a bit of a slave to fashion and I always have to buy the must-have shirt or pair of shoes. I'm not so bothered now though. I wouldn't not feel comfortable wearing something old-fashioned, but I'm not as bothered as I used to be about what I wear.
What kind of clothes do you like to wear?
I prefer casual clothes actually. I hate getting dressed up for special occasion. Personal, I think it's possible to look good a pair of jeans, but that's my opinion. I don't think my wife would call me a fashion icon, that's for sure.
Are there many clothes shops where you live?
Yes, there are a lot in my town. Apart from the big chain store, we got a couple of really nice shops that sell vintage clothes. Old clothes, but in a classic style that never really go out of fashion. I love going there. I'd like to talk about one of my teacher, Miss Evans. She teaches us English in the school I go to. We always look forward to seeing what she's going to wear. Our lesson start. She always very well dressed and take a lot of pride in her appearance. It's not that she dresses in very smart clothes. She doesn't come to school dressed to kill or anything like that. But what she wears really suits her, and she has a great sense of style as well. We often ask her where she gets some of clothes, and most of the time they're just off the peg. And she says she's not interested in designer labels or anything like that. She doesn't seem too concerned about keeping up with the last fashion. She just wears clothes that are timeless, yes. Miss Evan is the person I think looks great in the clothes she wears.
What factor do you think affect the clothes we choose to wear?
It depends where we are or where we're going is a big factor. If you are going to a club or party, you're going to dress for the occasion. And then there are those who think it's important to look like they are on trend. They want to wear the latest fashion. There are a lot of factory really.
What kind of things determine what is in fashion and what we should be wearing?
I suppose the big fashion house and fashion show must have an effect, but the clothes you see on the catwalk don't always reflect what normal people wear. So I suppose it will be things like singer are wearing in videos or models are wearing in magazine, that kind of thing.
Is it possible to look good without spending lots of money on clothes?
I'm sure it is, yes. I suppose it's about having an eyes for what looking good, knowing how to mix and match different types of clothing that go well together. I think you can pick up great bargains in charity shop. Sometimes youngster, if even hand-me-downs can look good. Thank you.